This is a screen cleaning liquid that can be used. You can use this thing to clean your laptop or your PC. This is a good cleaner, as you can see. It's cleaning your monitor, your laptop, your tablet, even your cameras. This can be used. It's a safe thing to use to clean your PC. Let me open it for you to show what is inside. I just bought it today. It was 50 rand. It's having a cloth. This cloth is for cleaning your PC. As you can see, it can remove dust and other stuff. I have used it before. That's why you can see some data stain. It's worked wonderfully. I'll be using it for my client laptop and PC. Everything is going to be coming to me to be fixed. I'm going to be using this cleaner. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you so much.